What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. If you don't recognize where I am, this is actually Chimney Rock, North Carolina. Got some massive cliffs up behind me, and this is the Rocky Broad River, which I was on trail yesterday riding mountain bikes. Today it poured rain and the Rocky Broad came in. I have no idea what this run's about. It should be class 4 or 5, and the guy said bring a half slice. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm in for. Either way, we're gonna have a good time and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Got it. That was funky. I guess the middle one. I don't know. Yeah. I licked that. Kenny, I don't like this. GoPro's about to die, just made it off the river. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the river.